Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and I just want to do a real quick unboxing of this Thunderbolt solar 7-piece solar connection kit. Shows all the stuff. Just show you basically what's in there. This came from Harbor Freight. I really like their little solar kit as a starter kit to learn and stuff. And these little connectors though are where a lot of the smaller 12 volt or even the smaller stuff uses. So I mean, this kit would be great for anybody doing a lot of little solar projects. I mean, you got your little plug in there, so you can go straight from the panel to like a 12 volt outlet, which is really cool. This here is just a connector cable. This is if the polarities need to be changed. You got that little doodad. Okay, well, this is if you need to plug in there. Same. So that's kind of cool. I guess you could make almost like an extension. Plug that in there, that in there. Not really sure about this one. It looks like it's just a light. So we got that one. Alligator clips. These are nice. If you were gonna just direct charge a battery off the little solar piece, you can just plug that into the panel, direct charge under there. So that's cool. And looks like another 12 volt. I don't know exactly what takes this. I was hoping one of these would be for the little charge controllers that they sell with the kit. You know, coming in from a panel, you can plug straight into your. But that looks way too big, so I guess it's an adapter for some other ones. Yeah, you can see right there, LED charge indicator. Which why you'd necessarily need that, I don't know. 8mm cable adapter. That's going to be this thing here. Then you get your regular cigarette outlet lighter things, like this one here. Depending on how your car's wired up, if it's one where the outlet actually stays on, they used to have jump boxes back in the day that you just would plug straight into your cigarette outlet. So if your cigarette outlet is hardwired straight to the battery, or if you ran an extra one that was, you could actually plug this straight into the cigarette outlet, have this hooked up to a panel sitting like on your dash, and it would be making sure your car stays charged if you had some kind of phantom draw that you couldn't figure out or something like that. It'd be a quick, easy way to kind of solve that. One thing I thought about also is you got these, depending on where your battery is. Like mine's in the trunk or in the back, on the Prius. So I could actually just clip these on straight to the battery, pop the little covers off, just clip that straight to the battery, clip that to a panel, make sure my 12 volt battery stays charged all the time. Like I said, there's different things. Also, this is like for my tractor. I have some issues with my older tractor doing that where it's got a phantom draw, so that'd be good, handy there. But there you go. There's your kit. Definitely a lot of pieces and useful things there. So, all right, like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.